Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the life of one of the most talked about figures in modern history, Donald J. Trump. Businessman, TV personality, and the 45th President of the United States. Let's dive in. 1. Early life, 1946 to 1964. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. He was the fourth of 5 children. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer. Growing up, Donald attended the New York Military Academy, where he learned discipline and leadership skills. 2. College and entry into business, 1964 to 1971. Trump attended Fordham University, then transferred to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, where he studied economics. After graduating in 1968, he joined his father's company, focusing on real estate development. 3. Building an empire, 1970s-1990s. In the 1970s and 80s, Trump expanded into Manhattan, building skyscrapers, hotels, and casinos. His most famous property, Trump Tower, opened in 1983. He became known for luxury branding, bold deals, and high-profile publicity. But he also faced major financial struggles in the 1990s, including casino bankruptcies. 4. TV stardom, The Apprentice, 2004 to 2015. Trump became a global TV figure with the hit reality show The Apprentice. His famous phrase "You're fired" became part of pop culture. The show increased his fame and helped shape his public image. 5. Political rise, 2015 to 2016. In 2015, Trump announced he would run for President of the United States. His campaign focused on immigration, trade, and America First policies. In a historic upset, he won the 2016 presidential election. 6. 45th President of the United States, 2017 to 2021. As president, Trump worked on tax reforms, deregulation, conservative Supreme Court appointments, and immigration restrictions. His term was marked by strong support from his base and intense political controversy. He was impeached twice but acquitted both times. 7. Post-presidency, 2021-present. After leaving office, Trump remained a major figure in American politics. He continues to hold rallies, influence political debates, and remains a central figure in U.S. political discussions. 8. Personal life. Trump has been married 3 times and has 5 children. Donald Jr., Ivanka, Eric, Tiffany, Barron. He is also known for being active on social media and for his strong, distinctive communication style. Conclusion. Donald Trump's life is a story filled with ambition, controversy, success, and influence. Whether you admire him or disagree with him, there's no denying that he left a major mark on American history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more history and biography videos.